Expert Dairy ERP Overview by Tech Expert Software Private Limited. Welcome to the presentation of Expert Dairy ERP, designed and developed for all types of dairy industries that deals in processing of milk and milk products. In this presentation, we will outline the challenges in dairy industries and how the Expert ERP is helping the dairy industries to address and overcome through a robust, user-friendly and professional dairy ERP system. Dairy industry in India. The dairy industry in Indian context comprises of milk producers, dairy cooperatives, village collection centers, village service provider, milk chilling centers, manufacturers and the firms that market milk and dairy products. With size of dairies increasing with demand on one hand and the market forces such as opening of the retail industry on the other hand, the operations of the dairies are to be managed efficiently in order to produce value for money to the end customers. There is a need for improving the operations, visibility for senior management and accountability for each department within the organization. Intelligent use of information technology leads to significant competitive advantage and the ultimate goal of customer delight. Challenges and need of the industry. The focus of dairies on increasing efficiencies, reducing costs, and ensuring compliance with food regulations over the whole supply chain are hampered by a number of non-integrated processes and system which is affecting the efficiency as well as overall growth of the organization. To overcome these roadblocks, there is a need to standardize all these scattered processes and information on a single platform. The Expert ERP system is a single integrated system to address the requirements of the dairy industry and to overcome the challenges. So, let's quickly go through the Expert Dairy ERP solution. Enter username and password and select company from login screen and click OK to enter into ERP system. Once logged in, you can see the all available modules on left side. Expert is highly flexible integrated custom developed ERP system exclusively for dairy industry. The broad features modules are milk procurement system from farmers, village societies, VLCs, bulk milk coolers and milk chilling centers. MP Master from milk procurement MCC masters. We can capture all basic information of the milk producers with the details of his animals also. MCC Master from Milk Procurement MCC Masters. Here, we can capture all data related to MCC, BMC. The rate charts, incentives are mapped here. VSP Master from Milk Procurement MCC Masters. The VSP, agents, society details are captured here. We can change the payment cycle, rate, commission and incentives here. Tracking of primary and secondary transportation with predefined routes. Collection of milk at remote areas with interrupted internet facility and auto-synchronization at central server. This is one of the critical aspects of the system as most of chilling centers, BMC, VLC are in rural areas and are severely affected due to limited or unlimited internet connectivity. The milk collection can be done in offline mode, also when internet connectivity is not available. Milk receipt from milk procurement MCC transaction. After milk weight and integrated electronic weighing scale EWS, the samples are tested with integrated milk analyzers. Milk sample from milk procurement MCC transaction. The fat and SNF are automatically captured with integrated analyzers and chemist can test almost 100 samples in an hour. Integration with all available hardware equipment like milk analyzers, electronic weighing scale, flow meters, milko-scan are available within the system. The system has built-in quality parameters across milk collection, processing, production and distribution. The issue and sales of cattle feed, veterinary medicines, assets and testing equipment to farmers, societies, VSP, agents can be done with the following screen. MCC material sale from milk procurement MCC transaction. These sale invoices can be knocked off at the time of payment processing in the particular payment cycle so that the net payment can be released to farmers, VSP, societies. Apart from the procurement from farmers, VSP, societies, the procurement from the contractors is also available. On bulk transaction and reports under milk procurement bulk. The all processes involved like tanker gate entry, gross weighment, quality testing, milk unloading in SILOs, tare weight of tanker for calculation of milk weight is available within the system. The weighment can be done with integration of weighing scale. Once the milk procurement is done, then the processing at plants for various products like fresh milk, curd, chas, lassi, ghee, powder, etc. can be achieved by the dairy-specific production module, which is integrated with flow meters, milko-scan machines. On dairy production setup, transaction and reports. The bill of material is defined at the setup level along with other masters like section, stages, section stage mapping, etc. After the initial setup, the production planning, creation of batch orders, issuances, standardization, stage processes, and finally the production entry is done in the system to have the finished goods stocks that can be dispatched or sold through sales and distribution module. The system has all kinds of sale dispatch processing like sale of fresh products. On fresh sale transaction and reports. We can process the fresh products like milk pouch, curd, chas with booking, delivery orders, dispatches and sale invoices. The sale of raw or standardized milk, bulk sale can be done with the different processes involved. On bulk sale transaction and reports. We can process the tanker bulk sale like raw milk, standardized milk, etc. with processes involved like tanker gate in, tare weighment, tanker loading, quality testing, gross weighment, dispatch and sale invoices. Sale of milk products like ghee and powder, sale through consignee agents, CSA, and export sale is also available within the system. Apart from the above dairy-specific modules, the system has all other standard ERP modules like purchase, material management, vendor management, customer management, general ledger, system administration, common services, TDS, HR, and payroll processing. The system has inbuilt business intelligence and reporting tool, also to create the dynamic reports and dashboards for the process owners and management. The user can create his own dashboard and also generate dynamic reports using reporting tool. The graphical reports in the shape of pie charts, bar charts, line graphs can also be developed by the end users. The system is also integrated with inbuilt GPS-based vehicle tracking system to monitor the movement of vehicles across supply chain and to control the transportation cost by capturing the actual distance captured from GPS system into ERP, thus enabling the user to process the freight payments on the basis of actual distance travelled instead of assumed distance travelled. The various mobile applications across modules are also available as an add-on to the ERP system to enable the usage of ERP application to each and every level. The Auto SMS can also be configured in all modules using the inbuilt SMS gateway without any third-party involvement at an additional cost on per SMS basis. To see every module in details, you can visit the website www.techexpert.in and download the module-specific demonstration. Thank you for your patience and time to enable us to give you the overview of Expert Dairy ERP system, and you can contact our sales team for any further queries on the same.